What's up, guys? It's Matt, not Jay today. I know usually I'm the one behind the camera filming all the magic that Jay makes. But today I want to take you guys on a special journey behind the scenes so you can see what we do when we're making all these films and videos for you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell so you know when new videos are coming out. And like Jay usually says, without further ado, let's get to it. So let's start with what's in my camera bag. Right now, on the tripod, which it's a Peak design tripod, is one of two of my Canon R6 cameras with the RF 16mm f2.8 lens. Love this lens, really good when you have tight spaces like Jay's shop. So let's check out the rest of the bag. So as you guys can see, there's my other R6 camera with the RF 24-105 lens, f4. Next to it is the RF 85 f2 prime lens. Behind that is the RF 70-200 f4. And in these three little cubbies here, well, I already told you I've got the 16mm on. Next to it is the RF 35mm f1.8 and the RF 50mm 1.8 lens. Over here you'll see some of our other equipment, a couple of DJI Osmo Action cameras, a couple of DJI Osmo Pocket 2 cameras, some lights. I have two LumeCube Panel Pro lights, one of which is on the camera, and the other one, unfortunately, I'm going to have to return because, well, the battery just doesn't seem to be working anymore. Now, in here is all of the audio gear. We have a Rode video mic. I use the Rode Wireless Go 2 lavalier mics, and then we also have a Rode microphone that we can put on a boom or something like that whenever we want to use it. So guys, that's what's in my camera bag. That's the majority of the equipment that I've been using to film Jay's Creative Edge. We are trying to transition to a more mobile-friendly method of filming and producing and creating the videos that you guys see. So I picked up a new camera a few months ago. Never thought about using it really that much for the channel, but we decided one day, hey, let's film an episode, see how it works, see if it works really well. And I'll tell you what, it came out great. And I think we're gonna start filming all of our videos using this camera. I know you might be wondering, well, what's this camera? Well, what is it? Well, it is my Apple iPhone 13 mini. Now, I know it's not the iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, but I must say, when Apple put cinematic mode into this phone / camera, it kind of revolutionized how I film and the ability that I have now to use my phone to make a film and to make these videos. You might see that I have an interesting case on here. This is the case made by Peak Design. I have their tripods and some of their other gear. I just ordered a mobile mount that will fit on here, that can fit onto the tripod. And the case is really, really good. I love this case, and it's got a magnetic wallet that just connects to the back. And it is MagSafe, so all the MagSafe features I still get if you're an iPhone person or if you're a MagSafe fanatic or whatever. But that's what we're transitioning to. And so that's what you'll probably see us using today. But that's not why you're here. You want to see behind the scenes. So let's hop into the car and we're going to head over to Jay's shed and we're going to make some cool stuff and you will be able to see how we do it. Let's go. Well, as you guys can see, it's a beautiful day. Nice and cloudy, cold up here in the Northeast. But yeah, let's head over to Jay's and see what we can do. See what videos we can make. All right. I'll see you at Jay's shop.
I'm going to start cutting here. I'm going to cross cut these down to a length that can fit in the cross cut sled here.
All right, so just have you say that real quick.
All right, guys. So some of this stuff doesn't fit in my cross cut sled, so we're just going to cut them down. Slow-mo.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter which saw I use first. Probably this one, because then I'm going to take it off the table to use this one, so I don't have to move it 3 times.
Sorry.
You saw.
I'm going to have to edit it because those are all. I'm going to have to edit that out.
Oh.
From the behind the scenes.
Oh, gotcha. Well, you can bleep it out.
Yeah.
2x, then plywood, and then cherry. Okie dokie.
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. That's our behind the scenes video for today. So don't forget, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, bang that bell for notifications so that you know when we drop more videos. And if you like the behind the scenes, let us know down in the comments and maybe we'll make some more if you really like them. So, as Jay always says, always create.